day, Madam and Sir. I'm Elisa Lugtu, 33 years old. I have two kids, aged 5 years old and 11 years old. I have a 2 years experience as a helper and 3 years as a nanny in the Philippines. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of their children. I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn and follow to your instruction. I want to go in your country for the future of my children. I'm trustworthy, work-oriented, and patient. I promise to finish my contract as long as you need me. And I will treat your kids as my own, teach them a good manners and proper hygiene. I hope you will hire me, and I promise to perform my job with all my ability. Thank you, God bless, and have a nice day, Ma'am, Sir.